Welcome all of you. In this lecture, we are going to see type of automation and system of industrial automation. Okay. First we see type of automation. There are mainly three type of automation. These are fixed automation, programmable automation, and flexible automation. Fixed automation. In this automation, there are fixed physical or we say machinery, and it is used for mass production of same product. Means if we want same product without any change in that product, but we require more quantity of that product, then in that system or in that company fixed automation system is used. Okay, it is not flexible or we cannot change in it. Okay, so it is called as a fixed automation. Okay, next is the programmable automation. Okay, now in programmable automation there may be one product and we can change the specification of that product by program. Means if we change the program of that automation system, then there may be some change in that product and we get multiple purpose or multiple type of product from it. Okay, so it is called as a programmable automations. Next is the flexible automation. Okay, this flexible automation is extension of programmable automation. In this there may be we have to produce many product or many specification of product, or we have to change some design of product, then in that type we use fixed automation. Okay, so in fixed automation there will be automatically loads and unload required tools and carried out their processing instruction. Means in this there may be some hardware replace or change automatically their path and change in program also, so that we can get other product or that product with different designs. So in this we get different product or product with different designs, so it is called as a flexible automation. Okay, now let's see next, that is system for industrial automation. Okay, then these are the system for industrial automation. In this, programmable logic controller means PLC, human machine interface means HMI, supervisory control and data acquisition means SCADA, and distributed control system means DSC, and drivers are used. First we see programmable logic controller or PLC. Okay, this PLC replace relay logic. Means before PLC there is a relay logic, means many relay are connected, and by that connecting relay some logic is created, and on that logic that system is work. But then this PLC replace that, and in this we can program this controller, and according to that it gives output signal or it can control some outputs. Okay, it in PLC it is digital device and it can store program, or in it there may be timers, counters, or special modules means input output modules. According to outputs or according to control of output, there are different input or output module are connected to this programmable logic controller means PLC. Okay, then it can store different type of parameter like temperature, pressure, or it can generate real time report of that data then it can it is designed so it can be stable in that factory environment, that is like noise, vibration or some temperature range, not high temperature but at normal temperature range in industrial, this PLC can work. Okay, then next is the human machine interface. Okay, then for what human machine interface is used, as their machine gives the output signal, but that output signal is not directly, means we does not measure directly or we does not see directly how for what this output is generated. So that signal is given or output is given in graphically form or in display, or it is displayed on display, digital display, so human can get it or it can uh, control it, means on display there may be button shows, push buttons, so that it can be controlled by human or start or stop by human, or human can easily read that, means if there may be some temperature and this temperature controller, it gives electrical signal according to that temperature, and that signal is given to this HMI, then it display it on digital display and it gives the temperature on it, means it display the temperature in degree Celsius and also assign some graph for that temperature, that is it is below that maximum level or from how much from lower level, so it human can read it. Okay, so that human machine interface is required. It read control parameter from machine and give signal according to it, and there may be audio signal or audio alarms. Okay, that all audio alarms also come in this HMI, means human machine interface. Okay, then next is the supervisory control and data acquisition. Okay, means SCADA. Okay, in SCADA it gives data from PLC located in a different place in that company, and that data is supervised or controlled by this SCADA system. SCADA system is one software that is installed in central PC in that company, and that SCADA controls the PLC at different place in the company. It may take data from that PLC or it give control signal to that PLC. According to that, this supervisory control and data acquisition system works. Okay, it is one software which run on the central PC on that industry. Okay, then next is the distributed control system, DCS. Okay, distributed control system means there are many control system and which are distributed at different place. Okay, if we use one system in that company and it fails or maybe there some repairing for it, then we have to stop all that work in that company, because that control system controls all the work in the company. But if in that company we use distributed control system, then this these are the small control system which are distributed at different location. If some system fails, then also other system can do the work continuously. So this is the advantage of distributed control system, or it is called as DCS. Then next is the drives. Okay, now in company there are many motors, it may be AC motor, DC motor, so controlling that motor or give them proper supply, the drives are used. Then these drives may control their speed or may control their uh, rotations or directions. Okay, for that these drives are used. Drives are maybe DC drives, means if motor is DC, then that drive is also DC drives. If motor is AC, then we have to use AC drives. According to that these drives are used. Okay, so what we see today, that is the type of automation. These are three types of automation: fixed automation, programmable automation, flexible automation. Then we see the system for industrial automation. First is the PLC, means programmable logic controller. Second is the HMI, means human machine interface. Then third is the SCADA, means supervisory control and data acquisition. And fourth is DCS, means distributed control system. And fifth is drives. Okay, in this way these are the systems and types of automation. Okay, thank you.